Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to the video today. I am at Walgreens. It is Thursday and we have a beauty event happening until Saturday. I just picked this up at the front. I'll show you guys the setup for this. But here is these ones. There's for the Pantene and as well as the Head and Shoulders. So right here, and remember, any spend deal that you do, these does count against your total, so you want to make sure that you are meeting those. But this kind of caught my attention. I think that we might have some Revlon here on sale. I'm gonna have someone with a zebra scan a few items for me just so that I could see what I can pick up and how much they might be. I got some of these not too long ago and they were 49 cents, so I'm gonna see how much this one is. Right, so they're just about half off. We do have Revlon on this week as well. They were spend $20 to get back $8, but everything is all over the place, so I'm just gonna kind of wait on that here. But I am interested in doing the P&G promotion, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some of these products here. They're all out of the $3 toothpaste, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and pass on that, but I'll show you guys what I end up grabbing. All right guys, so they're all out of the Crest products that I want to grab, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of the Colgate. They are $5, and then when you buy 2 you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. Now I'm also gonna add this to the Nivea deal. These are on sale for $4, and we have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Nothing is coming back, but we also have dollar rebates back on Ibotta, and I do have the booster for when you spend $25 you're gonna get back $7 in Walgreens cash. So to work on the P&G promotion, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 3 of the Head and Shoulders. They are $6, and we do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to grab 2 of the same so the coupon link can come off. So I'm gonna grab these 2. Oh, I broke it, you guys. Okay, left off. My phone is running out of space. I still have not made room from the cruise, so here it goes. So $2 coming off each one here. That's gonna take off $6, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Pantene as well. Where is the Pantene? All right. And then for the Pantene, we do have $2 coupons. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab just 2 of them because they are 2 for $15, and we only have 2 off of 2 coupons. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab these 2 here. All right, so for the P&G, if we look at it, this the Head and Shoulders and the Pantene takes me to $28, and then we're gonna minus $10 of coupons. So 2 of each of these and 2 of each of these, that's gonna take us down to $18. So that means I still have the meet the $15 for the $5 P&G. I'm gonna go ahead and add this. That'll take me over the $25 to get the $7 back, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit more since I'm working on the spend $50 to get back $50 in Walgreens cash. So far I'm at $40. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of the Garnier. They are $4.99 regular price, and then we do have Ibotta rebates on these, so I think I'm gonna grab some other thing to use the 20% off coupon, so I'll be able to get back $5 coming back on Ibotta. All right guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do a bigger transaction. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the Gain products. I have not picked it up this week, but they're on promotion for $5.49, and then when you buy 4 you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. And we also have the rebate happening here, so starting 8/13 to 9/23. For when you spend $30 you're gonna get back $10. So I'm gonna combine 2 of these together just so that I could go ahead and submit for that rebate here. So of course we don't have digital coupons for everything I'm grabbing, but I've already actually used my digital coupons for these larger Gain products. But these ones are $9.99, and then when you buy 2 you're gonna get back $4 in register rewards. So I should get back the 5 and the 4 there. So along with that, I'm gonna go ahead and add the Listerine deal. I'm just gonna go ahead and spend $50 out of pocket. I'm sorry, in Walgreens cash, just so that I could get a lower out of pocket. And the Listerine, remember, they are on promotion for when you spend 10, you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards, and we still have the activate rebate. Plus there's another one that I received by email, which I'll put a link in the description box below so you guys can submit for that as well. And then their regular price, so you can use a 20% off coupon. So my total with everything, I haven't even added the Listerine to my cart, but total with everything is $121.90. I did do a video that I didn't get to put up with my Huggies, so I do have a return for $20 in Walgreens cash on point to my account, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that $20, and that's gonna take me down to $101.90. So here is actually what I was telling you guys about. So the website is listerine.com /your ace checkup. So I'll take a picture of this and I'll post it as well, so you guys can have this, so you can submit. So it is $10 or $15. The only thing is, I'm not sure if you have to do all of this in one transaction. I'm just not sure, so I'll just take a picture of it. All right, so my total with everything after my coupons come out to $39.92. And with that, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in some register rewards that I have from the past. So I have a $4 one, a $3 one, $5, and $10, and here's the 20% that I'm going to be using. I'm going to try to do another transaction just so that I could see if I get a register a paper booster to pair in with this. So I should get back $5 in Walgreens cash, $15 for the Listerine. We should get back $4 for the game, $5 for this game here, and $5 for the Colgate. What else I got here? And then the $5 for the 3-day beauty event. Here is my receipt. Here is the Pantene. Now be careful with the Pantene. I thought it was gonna ring up at $5 instead of $3 for $15, but they ring up full price, and the 20% doesn't count because the IBC makes it a sale price. So I'm gonna do this again, but I'm gonna pick up 3 Pantene at this time because it'd be better to save the $2 than, yeah, whatever. And then here is the Nivea, the Head and Shoulders, the $2 coming off each one of them there. The Gain products, the $9.99, the Gain $5.49, the Colgate, the Fructis, $2 coming up there with the 20%, the Listerine, and all of the 20% coming up there. Here are the register rewards that I use, the 5, 10, 3, and 4. Manufacturer coupons coming up there, 5 off of 3 for the Nivea, $3 for the Head and Shoulders, the $2 for the Pantene, the $1 each for the Gain products. So here it is. Here I used the $20 and the store credit. Total came out way over the $120, and then paid the $24 out of pocket. Tax was almost $6, you guys. And then here's what I got back, $22. So got $15 back for the Listerine, and also $7 for spending $25 on personal care items. And then I've already submitted back to Ibotta for the Nivea, and I think there was one more thing. Oh, and as well as the Garnier. So I've already submitted back on Ibotta for that, for the Fructis. And then I'm going to submit for the Listerine. So for Activate Rewards for $10 back when I spend $30, as well as to the Listerine, the Ace Listerine reward, which I'll pop up on the screen, or I'll now put the link below for that. So I'll take some time to learn how, what the increments are. I know last time you had to spend a certain amount. I didn't really get a chance to read it yet this time, but hey, we're gonna figure this out. I'll let you guys know how it goes. And let me show you guys what I got back as well as far as for in-store rewards. Here's this booster that printed afterwards, of course. Here is the $5 for the 3-day flash sale. So it has a picture of what's included here. I know we just got some high value coupons for the Venus products. So if you're able to grab those, I don't think there's any deal on these particular Venus, but look into it. There's $50 saying I have $50 to redeem there. $5 for P&G, so I want to say that's for buying 4 of the Gain. This is stuck together. Okay, well, here goes that. And then there's this $4 for buying 2 of the other Gain, and there's another $5 here for the Colgate. So that's all I've got for you guys. And I think I watched Michelle on her channel, My Own Identity. She said be careful with this, with the QR code. So not sure, this is my first time getting this, so I don't know how that's gonna work. I'm gonna try the QR code and see what comes out of it, so we'll see how that goes. All right guys, don't forget to like the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.